Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Herbana Witch Oracle. This is art by Alice Guidi, written by Cecilia Lattari, 50 cards and a guidebook, published by US Game Systems, retailing for $23.95 in the US. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this our way. I am very excited. This looks beautiful. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, with that being said, let's get into it. Wise, intuitive, and in harmony with nature, the Green Witch Herbana is the goddess of the earth element. She is deeply attuned to the forest's mysteries. Her magic is intricately woven with the wild essence of herbs, flowers, and animals, guided by the ancient language of nature. This 50-card oracle deck transports you to the magical forest, inviting you to observe and immerse yourself in your surroundings. Use a 64-page full-color illustrated guidebook to explore this realm and receive insights it offers. All right. It gets me with the fox every time. Oh, all right. There's the bottom. Oh, I'm excited. All right. Before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's anything that we need to know prior to utilizing it. We do have an introduction, a year in the forest, and how to use the deck. And then it goes into each card meaning with its own individual page number, which is fantastic. All right. Explore the deck and be receptive to the insights it offers. You can draw one card a day, ask an open-ended question, and draw 3 or 5 cards, relate them to each other, tell a story, your story, lay the cards out before you, feel the interplay between them, and interpret the message each one conveys. So no particular way to utilize this deck at all. I do want to see if there's any spreads in the back. No, but we do have about the author and illustrator. All right, so I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. All right, the back of the deck here is gloss, but it's not a high gloss. The cardstock is thinner than I would have expected it to be, but it's not bad. It's very flexible and it is snapping back. So I think it will be a really nice shuffle. And I like the size of it. It's like a standard tarot size. Okay, here we go. We have just a title down below. Gorgeous. The margin. I'm going to read the titles aloud just because sometimes it's a little hard to pick up on the film. Absolutely stunning art. The Witch Herbana. What is wild? Oh, that's fun. Winter. The Bramble and the Silence. The Bark. All the little mushies. I really like the illustrations, the type of art that this is. It's fun and it feels freeing, but it also lends a little bit to the realism. I really like that. The Owl. The Great Oak with some acorns. The Juniper. The Mistletoe. The Holly. The Candles. The Wolf. Ooh. Rest. Oh, I love that. Sweet little baby. Spring. The Shoot. Oh, I love that. The Apple Tree. the primrose, the nettle, the violet, the hold stones, the fairies. I like that rendition. Tea with flowers. Oh. The hare. Listen. Okay, I'm really loving that we're doing like a seasonal thing and the cards kind of match that theme as well as the color backs. So, you know, winter was blue, the spring was green, we have summer now. It's like a teal, the fruit, the cricket, the yarrow, St. John's wort, I'm going to mispronounce this, so I do apologize, the helichrysum. Oh, I love this, the marigold. That's one flower I have yet to plant that I need to. The runes. Love it. Like a rainbow. The goddess Demeter. Oh, I love it. The lizard. Nourish. And we have autumn, the mushrooms, the root, the mushrooms, the chestnut, the elder tree, the rowan, the dog rose, right to the forest, the herbs, the fox, the bread and the tree, harvest. I love it. And be a forest. The illustrations are beautiful. They're so fun, vibrant. I love the theming. All right, shuffle's just great. Not an issue. I'll give it one more for good measure. It is very flexible and it shuffles overhand pretty well too. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Okay, we're gonna do the primrose. Alrighty. If you're in search of hidden treasures, remember to carry a bunch of primroses. They might aid you in your quest. And if you wish to glimpse a fairy, simply place a primrose beneath your tongue. Symbolic flowers of spring, they announce afternoons in the meadows spent in free time reading a book or daydreaming. If this card has crossed your path, it's a cue to bring lightness into your heart. The solution you seek lies in the act of lifting, not burdening yourself. Allow yourself to lighten up. I love this. I think this is great. Very beginner friendly as far as utilizing the guidebook with it. So if you're not sure what any of these herbs or animals are, it gives you a little bit of a breakdown. I would always love more in my guidebooks just because that's just me and personally what my preference is, because I always love seeing the author's point of view and their knowledge. But I love this because it's short and sweet too. So if you are somebody who just needs a quick little message or meaning, this is perfect for you. And then you can go along and research more about the primrose as well. This Green Witch, the Secret Oracle of the Green Witch, would definitely be a great companion to the Herbana Witch Oracle. They're written by the same Cecilia Lattari. They're illustrated by different people, but it's the same concept, just a little bit more honed in with the Green Witchery, but they would definitely make a great companion deck to each other. The guidebook is very similar with just enough information to get you to get a little bit of the background and then help you with your own intuition to guide you forward. So like I said, I absolutely think this is beautiful. It's well done. The quality's great. And I really like how it's a little softer and gentler on the eyes with the pastel-y backgrounds. Shuffle's just great. Very, very cool. Very, very fun. I am excited to get to know this a lot better. Thank you so much to US Game Systems again for sending this our way. I am very, very excited. I also want to show you two other things that they sent me. They sent me these beautiful tarot pouches. Oh my gosh. So this one's a satin with the full imagery. Very beautiful. Oh my gosh. Cinches at the top like this. It can fit a plethora of different sizes. So this is the deck that we just looked at. I mean, it can fit multiple decks in it. It's that big. So your wide oracle cards and your tarot cards definitely will fit in that. That's so beautiful. I'm so excited about that. And then this velvet one with each of the suits embroidered on it. Look at that. They're both $12.99? $12.95. Sorry. But look at these. This one's a little bit, it needs to get worked in a little bit with the cinching because it is velvet. But oh, that is stunning. Gorgeous. If you are a pouch person, these are beautiful. I'm so excited. So this is that deck. So it's a little bit more on the skinnier side, but it does fit an average tarot deck. And then I'm sure you can fit the oracles in and kind of slant them this way too. But very, very pretty, very, very beautifully done. High quality too. It feels like it's not going to fall apart anytime soon. And for this being satin, it does feel really nice quality. Like the stitching is really nice. And, you know, I don't feel like it's going to deplete itself anytime soon. I feel like you'll get a lot of use out of these, especially this velvet one. This one's heavy duty. And look at inside, it's satin too. Oh, okay. Well, I am excited. I love a good tarot pouch, but thank you again to US Game Systems for sending this all my way. I am very thankful, and I am so thankful for you guys for hanging out with me today. I would love to know your thoughts on this Herbana Oracle. Did you order it? Is it on its way to you? What are your thoughts? Are you excited? Do you own the Secret Oracle of the Green Witch too? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. I enjoy hearing it or reading them. And again, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps me with the YouTube algorithm gods. Thank you so much again. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.